In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 simple ways to improve the look of your Power BI reports. These tips are easy to implement and will help you create more professional, polished, and functional reports that stand out.
The first trick is using the grid and snap to grid features, which can be found in the View tab. These options are essential for keeping your report elements perfectly aligned. By enabling grid lines, you'll see a helpful guide that makes it easy to position your visualizations neatly. When you also activate Snap to Grid, your objects will automatically align to the grid, moving in equal increments. This keeps your layouts consistent and organized, making your reports visually appealing and easy to navigate. The second tip is all about ensuring your visualizations have consistent proportions by setting their height and width precisely. This step enhances the clarity and uniformity of your report. Start by selecting the visualizations you want to adjust, such as a group of cards. Then, in the General tab under Properties, you can manually input values for height and width. For instance, setting the height to 110 and the width to 220 ensures all selected visualizations are uniform in size. This simple adjustment gives your report a professional, cohesive look. Another essential step to improve the appearance of your reports is using the alignment options in the Format tab. Precise alignment ensures your visualizations are balanced and evenly spaced, making your report more readable. You can align elements to the left, right, or center, and even adjust their vertical alignment. Additionally, you can evenly distribute visualizations horizontally or vertically to create equal spacing between them. For example, aligning cards to the bottom ensures they all line up perfectly, while the Distribute option ensures the spacing between them is consistent. This creates a clean and professional layout. Using themes is another way to instantly enhance the aesthetics of your reports. Power BI offers a variety of built-in themes that can apply a unified color palette across your report with just one click. By going to the View tab and selecting the Themes section, you can experiment with different options, like the Classic theme, to find a style that fits your data. If you want more customization, you can edit a theme to adjust chart colors, fonts, or the appearance of tooltips. Consistent use of themes ensures your reports look cohesive and visually appealing, while also saving you time. Finally, don't overlook the importance of shapes and borders in organizing your report. Shapes, such as rounded rectangles, can help you frame specific sections like filter panels, making your layout more structured. To do this, go to the Insert tab, select Shape, and adjust its rounding to suit your style. You can also move the shape to the back of your visualizations by using the Selection pane in the View tab. Similarly, adding borders to your charts, tables, and KPIs can further define each section and make your report easier to interpret. Borders and shapes are simple yet effective ways to create a polished and organized report.
These 5 tricks are easy to apply and will significantly improve the look and functionality of your Power BI reports. By focusing on alignment, consistency, and aesthetics, you can take your reports to the next level. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks, and stay tuned for upcoming videos.